Just a reminder of why we're using this data structure, because we may have lost all that and all the mechanics that you and I have gone through. And in most of the examples that I'm showing you, it's building a tree as well. Remember, after that tree is established and we've done all that work, you're going to be using that tree over and over and over again with the data that's already inside it. And remember, we're using that because we're hoping that you're going to be visiting the same data over and over again, and this overall data structure will push those nodes that are visited quite often to the very, very top. Now, there's going to be once in a while where it's completely foobar. Maybe you looked at a website that you haven't looked at in a long time, kind of like your notes. Then yes, that tree will be totally screwed up for at least one time. But then after that, when you get back to your normal routine of Facebook, YouTube, all that stuff, it'll be right back to normal again with some little bit of adjustments here and there. So that's what's going to happen. This is the lookup or find type of tree when you have repeated searches to the same set of data. Now remember, in binary search trees, they're fast too, don't get me wrong. But the data is all spread out and there's no real type of caching to make it even faster. This has a caching feature to, again, bubble up those items that you're routinely looking at. So this has Splay trees have a very specific application that they're used for, and that's for looking up, again, items that you look up several times more than just one time like in a binary search tree. Now what I'm trying to do here is prove that point. Here's some data that we had, and then we went ahead and drew it all out. And this is starting the fully built tree. 15, 23, and 35 will be the values that are searched. And we literally did searches on random numbers, but 15, 23, and 35 were biased, meaning we kind of searched for them more often. And you're going to notice that even after everything was said and done, those numbers are going to end up towards the top. And that's the beauty of this, because finding those numbers that we wanted to visit, frankly, most often are a heck of a lot quicker than those at the very bottom that we don't visit all that often. That is a splay tree in a nutshell.